In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow automation in Copper CRM. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Copper CRM. From the results, head to the official Copper site and sign in with your organization's account. Once you're in, look for the Automation section in the main menu and choose Workflow Automation. This is where you'll set up rules that watch for changes in your data and take action for you, saving time and keeping your process consistent. Start a new rule by clicking Add Workflow or Add New. Give your workflow a clear, recognizable name so you and your teammates know exactly what it does at a glance. A simple format like "When X happens, do Y" helps a lot, especially as your list of automations grows. Next, define the trigger. Begin with the record type, which tells Copper what to monitor. You can choose from items like lead, person, company, opportunity, project, or task. Pick the one that matches where the change actually occurs. For example, if you want to act when a deal moves stages, choose opportunity. If you want to react when a new contact is added, choose person. Choose the trigger event. This controls when the automation fires. Created runs the moment a record is added, while updated runs when a field changes. If you need time-based checks, use options like Check Once a Day to evaluate conditions on a schedule. Select what aligns with your use case to avoid unnecessary runs. Add trigger conditions to narrow things down. Use fields and operators to specify exactly what qualifies. For instance, you might set pipeline equals sales and status equals 1, so the rule only fires for deals that close in the sales pipeline. Combine conditions thoughtfully to keep the automation precise and meaningful. Now define the action. Choose whether to create a new record or update the existing one. Creating a record is useful for automatically adding a follow-up task or a project, while updating a record is ideal for setting fields, changing ownership, or moving a stage. Specify the details for that new or updated record. Fill in the fields the action requires, such as assignees, due dates, stages, or custom fields. Use consistent values and keep required fields complete so your automation never stalls. When everything looks good, click Set Live. Your workflow is now active and will run based on the trigger and conditions you defined. You can return here anytime to refine the name, conditions, or actions as your process evolves.